Hi, John from Diode Dynamics. Today we'll be going over and showing you how to install our Stage Series ditch light kit like you see here on this 2022 Toyota Tundra. Our ditch light kit allows you to mount a pair of our SS5s, SS3s, or SSC2s above your hood, utilizing existing mounting points with no cutting or drilling required. With its low profile design, even with our pods attached, our brackets sit about an inch over the fender while still giving you enough room to open and close your hood without hitting anything. The brackets themselves come with adhesive padding attached to the bracket to protect the hood, and slots have been incorporated into the bracket design to make the wire routing easy. These brackets were CAD-designed right here in St. Louis, Missouri, using a thick gauge powder-coated stainless steel to help prevent any annoying flexing or vibrations while driving on or off-road. Each option comes in our combo optic to provide you with a high-intensity output downrange, as well as added fill light directly in front of your truck. We offer these in 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow output along with an amber backlight. And if you went with our SS5 option, you'll have 8 selectable backlight colors with our white pod and a single amber backlight for our yellow pods. I'll show you how to install them now. We'll start by opening the hood, and on either side of the vehicle, mark the location of the hood hinges with tape and tape the edges of the hood to prevent any scratching. You may need to move the washer fluid line to have more room later. Now we're ready to mount our brackets. You'll notice that they're labeled left and right, so we want to make sure the upper portion of the bracket is facing towards the outside of the vehicle. Remove the two 12mm bolts securing the hood hinge one at a time using a 12mm socket or wrench. Place the ditch light bracket under the hinge as you remove the bolts, starting with the top bolt. Align the holes with the hood hinge and secure each bolt to the bracket as it's removed, making sure everything lines up with your tape. We highly recommend having someone else hold the front of the hood to make sure it doesn't close when the bolts come out. Remove the tape and repeat the same steps on the other side. Now we're ready to route our wiring. This will be different depending if you have the hybrid or non-hybrid version of this truck. For non-hybrid models, simply connect your positive and negative leads to the battery connectors. Then you can route the DT connectors how you see fit. After that, you can route the toggle switch through the firewall into the cab to the location of your choice. For hybrid models, locate the battery near the back seat storage area by lifting up in the seat and using a trim removal tool to remove the access panel. Then, remove the negative terminal using a 12mm socket. Next, under the hood, locate the passenger side fuse box. Using a 12mm deep socket, remove the nut on the 12-volt corner post. Then, connect your positive lead to the post and secure it using the nut we removed. Use a 10mm wrench to loosen the ground near the fuse box. Slide in your ground wire and retighten. Replace the fuse box cover, then route the DT connectors and toggle switch how you see fit, and reconnect your backseat battery negative terminal. If your vehicle came with a factory switch panel, we also include our OEM switch harness so you can connect to that as well. Now we're ready to assemble our SS3s. Drop the supplied nuts into the slots on the side of the pod with the nylon ring facing the inside. Then slide our universal bracket over the back of the pod and thread our 5/32 Allen screws and washers, leaving them hand tight to save room for adjustment later. Next, we'll mount our SS3s to our bracket by dropping our carriage bolt through the universal bracket, then through our ditch light bracket. We'll then thread the washer, lock washer, and nut, making sure to leave it only hand tight so we have room for adjustment later. Once we've installed our SS3 on the driver's side of the vehicle, we can repeat the same steps to install the other pod on the passenger side of the vehicle. Now we can plug in our DT connectors into the back of both pods and make our final aiming adjustments. When you're happy where those are aimed, you can use a 5/32 Allen and 13mm wrench to tighten everything down. Finally, you can tie up any excess wiring away from any hotter moving parts using the included zip ties. You'll notice the integrated slots in the bracket. This will allow you to secure the wiring to the bracket if you choose to do so. As you can see with our Stage Series ditch light kit installed, not only does your Tundra now have a custom off-road look and a white or yellow output, but you also have a significant increase in light output while off-roading. If you're looking to pick up a Stage Series ditch light kit for your Tundra or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any newer future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.